Good morning traders and welcome to the Daily Call today, Thursday the 2nd of May. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened overnight. And from New Zealand, we saw the employment change for the quarter come in at negative 0.2%. That was less than the forecasted. And while the unemployment rate did drop to the pre-adjusted 4.2 figure, the reason for the negative 0.2 was simply that people were dropping out of the workforce altogether, and so those numbers are reflected in those statistics. Overall, Kiwi dollar did have a down day yesterday, although the last end of the session was more due to US dollar strength rather than the Kiwi itself. Which leads us to the US dollar. We saw the manufacturing PMI number missed the mark at 52.8, but really all the action was centered around the FOMC statement and the rates decision. Well, the rates remained unchanged at 2.5%. And most importantly, the FOMC statement highlighted that the labour market remains strong and that the economic activity rose at a solid rate. Job gains have been solid on average, and in recent months, the unemployment rate has remained low. All in all, positive news for US dollar, and investors reacted accordingly, with the Euro USD dropping around about 60 plus pips at the news release. That was pretty much all that happened yesterday. Time to have a look at our chart of the day. This morning's chart of the day is a carryover from yesterday's, which was the Aussie CAD. The candle that formed yesterday broke a lower low, so that is this candle here where I'm highlighting with my cursor. So what I've done is I've readjusted the line. The line still fits in nice and snug. So the new candle, which is this little blue one right now, we're about 50 minutes into the candle. We need this one to now help us form that price action reversal pattern, like an inside candle, for example. If it does, well, then we should be all set and ready to go tomorrow. So as it stands, we have not triggered. We've readjusted the line. So keep the Aussie CAD on your hot list, and let's see if we can actually get a trigger for tomorrow. That is our daily chart of the day. Alright, what's happening in the session which is about to kick off? It's a big night, particularly for the UK. At 9 p.m. we have the Bank of England's inflation report. We also have the official bank votes and the monetary policy statement, along with the official bank rate. Let's see if there's any changes on that one. Okay, and then half an hour later, Governor Carney will be speaking on behalf of the Bank of England, summarising what basically just took place 30 minutes earlier. That wraps up the session. Pound traders, look out for this session because it is a heavy one for you. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll speak to you tomorrow for the Daily Call. Bye for now.